In this lecture, we will learn the basics of working with images in Python. The first step to this lecture is to find an image online that we want to use for this tutorial. I have added the image that I will be using as a course resource that you can download attached to this lecture. We will right-click on the tab in PyCharm and go to Show in Explorer. Then we need to click and drag our image we will be using into that folder so that it is in the same folder as the Python script that we will be running. Next, we need to install Pillow, the Python imaging library. To do this, we will copy the path to the directory that our Python script is in. Then we will open up the terminal or command line and use the cd command to switch to that directory. Now we need to run a pip command to install Pillow. We will type pip install Pillow. When we hit enter, Pillow will begin installing in this directory. Before we can proceed further with this lecture, we need to wait until this process finishes. Once the installation finishes, we can go back to PyCharm into the Python script that we have been working with in this course. Up at the top of the code, we will type from PIL import image. Then we will create a variable named image and set it equal to image.open. The open function accepts a string with the name of our image file as an argument. The image I am using is named sampleimage.png. Finally, we want to show the image. To do this, we call the show function on the image. When we run the code, you will notice that the image was opened in whatever program you have set on your computer to open images by default. For me, that is Windows Photo Viewer. To change the program that is launched, we can open up the image in the File Explorer, right-click on it, and go to Open With, and then select Choose Default Program. Then we will be able to select the default program that the file will be opened with when we run the code. In the next lecture, we will learn about the Python imaging library.